Lauren, thank you for coming today. I know it took a lot to get here.
It did. But I'm just grateful to be alive. And I owe it to my mother.
Lauren, the jury has heard about Emily Starr's regimen, and there's been some speculation as to how and why you came to follow her advice. Could you tell us, in your own words?
I hated being a girl with a disease. Emily made it seem like there was an easy way to get better. The things the oncologist had told me didn't seem real. Emily preyed upon that, then made sure hers was the only voice I heard. Told me my cancer was gone. Do you understand how crazy that is? Did you show them the scans of what was going on inside me, the scans she prevented me from seeing? Thank God for my mother. Or I wouldn't be here.
Thank you, Lauren. Nothing further.
Lauren? I know you have been through a lot and clearly love your mother very much.
I do.
And you expressed dismay that Emily had lied to you, so I want to give you a chance to be honest. You were 19 when you decided to stop chemo and follow Emily's health recommendations?
Yes.
Of legal age to make medical decisions for yourself.
Yes.
Did Emily ever tell you she had medical training?
No.
And you understood that your doctor had recommended chemo and radiation?
Yes.
Did Emily Starr ever lock you in a room?
No, but she restrained me psychologically. Told me to cut ties with anyone negative. My parents. My doctor. She said their fear-mongering would make my cancer worse.
And you believed her.
When you're sick, you want it to go away so badly. Any liar can own you. My actual doctor, he's not allowed to lie. You all won't let him. He had to tell me the treatment was going to be awful. Why was Emily allowed to say anything? It almost cost me my life. I'm only better now because I finally saw the MRIs. I saw proof that my cancer had gotten worse under Emily's care. In all of this, my mother was the only person willing to fight for me, to save me. Please, don't punish her.
Nothing further.
Tough witness.
Push too hard, backfires. I can tell the jury feels really sorry for the daughter and the mom.
Frankly, Sam, I'm feeling it myself.
It doesn't justify murder.
A TikTok star convincing a teenager with cancer to forego life-saving treatment, that is bad enough, but preventing the girl from receiving critical medical information from an actual oncologist after she collapsed.
All she did was tell Lauren to stay off email.
And to avoid speaking with her parents. That's not free speech, Sam, that's coercion. Emily Starr assumed a duty of care when Lauren was at her center, and she violated it.
So what, now you're saying that the mother was reasonable in believing that this was the only way to save her daughter's life?
Reasonable? No. Understandable?
Well, and what happened to the law as your compass?
My mother died of breast cancer.
I'm so sorry.
The treatments, they were pretty brutal. She'd always been a high octane. She was a lawyer. She was a damn good one. She hated being so drained. And then she started reading about homeopathic treatments. Well, eventually, she fell for the hope pitch. Stopped chemo for a few months. She got her hair back. She got some energy back. But that cost her a year of her life. When you are that sick, you are vulnerable.
Yeah. But we need to get justice for Emily.
Yes. But man won and 15 years is not a terrible outcome.
I'm not sure it's the just or appropriate outcome.
Oh, you want to risk losing this whole thing to jury nullification?
I'll set up a meeting.